Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for watching and thank you for being interactive on the channel with your comments. I'm happy to be able to respond to some of your comments and questions, and I'll try to make it as easy as possible about this new world of cryptocurrency investments. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how two brothers from New York were able to invest some money into crypto, and they were able to make millions of dollars in profits, right? We'll take a look at some of the details of the story, and we're going to see how exciting it is because this can happen to anybody, right? So basically, two brothers from New York invested about $8,000 worth of cryptocurrency, and they were able to make over $5 million in profits, right, in less than a year. So let's take a look at how it works. And Alright, so this is the story. It broke out on CNN on May 14th, how two brothers went from nearly jobless to multi-millionaires with a bizarre crypto bet. I'm just going to minimize this a little bit. Okay, so what they did was they bought something called Shiba token. Shiba is a cryptocurrency token that was developed by two European guys back in, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And they were basically developers, and it was basically a bet. It was based on a joke. So the two brothers, on the morning of April 2017, let's see what we can do here. 2017, on April 17th, two brothers in Westchester, New York, woke up to learn that they had become millionaires overnight, thanks to an unlikely wager on a cryptocurrency that was originally created as a joke. Tommy, 38, and his brother James, 42, had put a few $100 into an odd digital asset called Shiba Inu coin, a spin-off of Dogecoin. So basically, a parody of a parody. One coin was worth a fraction of a cent, which means 1 unit of Shiba was worth less than a cent, 0.000001. But a friend who happened to be a crypto expert told them he believed it could be a big money maker. So here's the reenactment from one of the brothers. I kind of thought about Bitcoin that was once a fraction of a penny, and now it's tens of thousands of dollars. And this happens to people. It's possible, Tommy said, right? I trusted my friend, and I figured if I went to zero, that's okay. I thought if it is a lotto ticket, that it wouldn't expire. Less than 2 months after their initial investment in late February, their lives changed. And it was their dad's birthday, but instead of giving him a card, they made him a millionaire. Bam, there it goes. So basically, a bit of cryptocurrency backgrounds. We all know that 2021 cryptocurrency exploded after years of being ignored, and Bitcoin went up to almost 70%. Altcoins shot up to a lot of huge percentages, and Dogecoin, which started off as a joke and is still worth less than $1, it's up more than 11,000% thanks to Elon Musk and Tesla and their tweets. And this is all according to CoinDesk, right? So let's take a look at the story. So this is the brothers' reenactment. We woke up the next morning and it doubled. We were like, oh my God. Tommy said, then it went up to $700,000. And I told my brother it's going to hit $1 million. And I kept refreshing my phone. The next day, it happened. The day it hit $1 million, my mom and sister, they didn't think it was real. The family's initial stake of almost $8,000, it's now worth nearly $9 million as of Thursday. CNN Business confirmed the value via their coin wallet address and transaction history. I'll put a link in the description below of the link of the CNN link so you guys can read the full article if you choose to, right? And there's actually 2 other articles from Business Insider about it as well, about the same story. So this can happen, right? This is proof that you can become a multi-millionaire from cryptocurrency investment. The two brothers were originally they're doing videos for weddings, and with the COVID-19 hit in 2020, their business simply tanked. And so they're looking for other ways to make money. They were nearly broke because their business were going bankrupt. And that's what happened, right? So it is possible, and this is proof of it. So what I'm going to do in the next here, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba tokens. Shiba is a cryptocurrency token that was created as a spin-off of Dogecoin. We all know Dogecoin it's been spiraling out of control in the past year, thanks to Elon Musk's tweets and his interest in cryptocurrency, obviously with Bitcoin as well. So this is how unpredictable the cryptocurrency market can be. It's a hit and miss, right? Now, can this happen to you? Absolutely. And this is proof of it, right? By buying at the right time and selling at the right time, this can happen to anyone. And this story is a proof of that. All right, so let's take a look at how you can actually buy Ether. Okay guys, so if you guys are just starting out with cryptocurrency, this is a book that I highly recommend. It's called Cryptocurrency Secrets. So in this book, it will outline different strategies that would help you to start investing in different cryptocurrencies, and especially the most popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP, for example. So the book it has about 60 pages of valuable information on trading strategies, how to trade safely on buying and selling cryptocurrencies, the different wallets that you can use to buy and store different cryptocurrencies, what crypto coins that you should start with, especially if you're just starting out, with the different types of crypto trading options available for you to start, right? So this is a mind map that shows the different chapters in the book. So for example, here it's going to talk about the basic fundamentals of cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency values, what is cryptocurrency mainly used for, Bitcoin trading, personal spending, and crowdfunding, and so on. And then it's going to jump into the different types of cryptocurrency available today, especially what are the advantages and disadvantages in each of those cryptocurrencies, right? So others that it actually does, I'll talk about how to open an account to invest in cryptocurrencies, and then it's going to focus on different strategies to invest in cryptocurrencies. It'll talk about spying the market. It's going to talk about start small and scale higher, and how to reallocate your investments, right? And of course, they're going to start jumping into what are the drawbacks, right? What are the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency? How to different options available? What are the major advantages of cryptocurrencies? And of course, the future of cryptocurrencies and what's happening in the market of cryptocurrencies and what to look for, right, in future markets. So if you're just thinking about it, you don't have to say yes now, just maybe will do. When you get this program, your purchase is protected by 100% satisfaction guaranteed, right? So especially for the next 30 days, you will get a full refund. If you're not satisfied with the book, you can get a full refund for the book. So you have ample time to check it out, to read through it. It's only 60 pages, so you have basically nothing to lose, right? I'm basically to digest the material in the book, and if you're not comfortable with it, you don't like it, you can easily get your money back by issuing a refund on the book, right? So I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can actually check it out and just download it, purchase it, and see how it can help you start earning a secondary income, creating a new way of wealth in trading, of buying and selling in different cryptocurrencies, and start getting some profits. So UniSwap is a decentralized exchange that allows you to swap from Ether to any other cryptocurrency that's deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Dogecoin and Shiba are what is called ERC20 tokens. These are tokens deployed on the Ethereum network, which means you can go to UniSwap and you can exchange from Ether to Dogecoin and be able to purchase that. The reason for that is it's almost a cost-effective way. There's no centralized control over the cryptocurrency, which means it is a very you pay a transaction fee for the exchange to happen. Right? There's no third-party entities involved, so it minimizes the cost on the transaction when you make it. Right? We'll see an example of how this works. But basically UniSwap is one of the most famous decentralized exchanges available today. There's many others available, like 1inch exchange I think it's called, and UniSwap is one of the top ones because it was one of the first ones that were deployed to be able to exchange from Ether to any other cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain only, not on Bitcoin, only on Ethereum. Now Ethereum blockchain has about over 2,000 ERC20 tokens deployed on Ethereum, which allows you to exchange from Ether to any other cryptocurrency deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. If you guys not sure how to buy Ether, you can buy Ether from creating a Rain account. If you're based in the GCC countries like Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, or UAE or Kuwait, you'll be able to buy Ether by transferring money from your local bank account to your Ether account in Rain. There's a separate video that I'll put or that already available for you to be able to buy Ether from your Rain exchange by creating a Rain account and so on. There's a link on the description below if you want to buy Rain, create a Rain account on Rain and be able to buy Bitcoin or Ether, right? So let's go ahead and continue here. So I'll talk about sending Ether from my Exodus wallet to my MetaMask wallet account, right? I'll see you guys. I'll show you guys how this works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move Ether from my Exodus wallet to my MetaMask wallet, and from there I'm going to go into UniSwap and I will connect my MetaMask wallet to my UniSwap so that I'll be able to exchange and buy Shiba from Ether. I'm exchanging from Ether to Shiba, right? That's what the process is. So let's go ahead and start the steps. Okay, so what's going to happen now is I'm going to go to my Exodus wallet. So this is my Exodus account here. Let me just show you guys. Maybe I can just minimize it a bit. So this is Exodus is another wallet exchange, cryptocurrency wallet, which allows you to buy and transfer Ether, Ethereum, and you have a bunch of coins. You have Basic Attention Token, BAT. You have Binance Coin, which is BNB, another very, very popular cryptocurrency coin. Bitcoin Cash, which is another very popular Bitcoin currency. It's actually a fork of the BTC. Bitcoin Cash started off in 2017, BCH. Bitcoin SV also came back later. So, okay. Alright, so this is my wallet. My wallet will show you all transactions, all cryptocurrency that I have balances. So for example, here in the past, see, I received I did a transaction with Rain from my Rain account to my Exodus. So I was able to receive or send from my Rain account to Exodus Ether, and this happened in August 18th 2020 last year, and this is the transaction ID. And then I sent from my Exodus to my Rain account $144 worth of Ether. This is again last year. I was basically testing sending from Rain account to other wallets to make sure that to confirm that Rain allows you to send your cryptocurrency earnings or your cryptocurrency tokens from your Rain account to other wallets, and this confirms it. Maybe I'll do another video in the future about how to do this, how to transfer tokens from your Rain account, whether it's Bitcoin or Ether, to other wallets. And I think maybe I'll do one on Binance, sending from Rain account to Binance. I think it's a good one. So now I got $15 worth of Ether. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to my MetaMask account. My MetaMask account is this one right here. So MetaMask is a wallet that is a plugin into your Chrome browser. So this is my main MetaMask account. I've got 0 Ether in the main net. This is the main net, right, which is the main network. These are all test networks. So this is the main net, and I have 0 Ether in my MetaMask account. So I'm going to transfer from my Exodus to my MetaMask account. So I'm going to go here, Exodus, and I'll copy the. So I'm going to click send, and I'll copy the Ethereum address, which is this is my MetaMask wallet address, right? My MetaMask wallet address here, and I'll just put sending Ether from Exodus to MetaMask wallet. Right, this is just optional. This is just a reference for me to know that in the previous transaction, when I see this in the future, I know exactly what I was doing here. So I'm going to send $14, 14.7 worth of Ether into my MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to hit send. So I'm sending. So it tells you here, you are sending 0.0060378 whatever Ether, which is worth $14 to my MetaMask wallet. So let's go ahead and click send. Okay, very important here, guys. Ethereum network fee. The network fee is basically the cost, the transaction cost, the gas price, which they will charge me to transfer to make this transaction, which is $0.71, right? 0.71 worth of it, which is exactly 0.0028875 Ether, which means the network will charge me 0.00288 Ether to make this transaction, for me to send this amount of Ether into my MetaMask wallet address, right? So this is very important to understand. You always have to make sure you note this. How much is transaction fee? Transaction fee varies. It's depending on the gas price formula. The gas price is the calculation how much it costs you to make the transaction. It's similar to gas in your car. So if you want to go from from point A to point B, and it's about 5 kilometers, you need to have X amount of gas in your car to cover that distance. You need to have X amount of gas in your car to cover the distance from point A to point B, to cover the distance of the 5 kilometer, right? That's how much it's going to cost you in terms of gas. So Ethereum transaction cost is the same thing. There's a formula for gas prices for each transaction that happens. The reason is it depends on the network throughput, the transaction, there's latency, there is network transaction volumes and all that. It gets calculated at the time of the transaction. So let me go ahead and click send. Are you sure you want to send $14 USD worth of Ether to this address? I say yes, send. And then it's sending, the transaction is happening. Success, Ethereum sent, right? It took like two seconds. So now the transaction is gone. So now I have the remaining balance on my account, 0.42 USD worth of Ether, which is 0.00169563666 Ether. All right. So let me go ahead and check my MetaMask account to refresh it. Bingo. So now I received 14.68 USD worth of Ether. Right? Actually, I sent 14.7, but because of the transaction fee, it subtracts the transaction fee from the transaction amount, right? So that's why I deducted the transaction fee, which is the gas cost, to make the transaction successful from the transaction amount, and bam, I received $14 or 0.006 Ether in my wallet account on MetaMask, right? So that's done. Now I'm going to jump into UniSwap to make the transaction in UniSwap and buy Shiba. So let me go to my UniSwap account. So this is the UniSwap, and here I'm going to click on, okay, you just go to uniswap.org. I can just do it from the beginning. This is the main page. So I'm going to go and click use UniSwap. Let me just put this here. And then I will connect my MetaMask wallet to my UniSwap. So I'm going to connect wallet, and then I select MetaMask. So this is my account. Connect with MetaMask, UniSwap. I hit next, done. Now I want to connect to it. I'm connected to it. Connection successful. So when you see this amount, this right here, which means the UniSwap app is now connected to my wallet, the MetaMask wallet address. If you want to see it, to confirm, you can copy the address. You can just open a notepad, right, to make sure that it's the right address. Copy this address here. Go to your MetaMask. Close this. You can just open a new window, I guess. Open your MetaMask. right? Copy the address that you have. Make sure this Ethereum mainnet, right? The main network is the main Ethereum network. All these are test networks. Okay, so go to your, which I connected, copy the address. You want to make sure the address mentioned in UniSwap matches the address, your wallet address, and MetaMask, which they do. Normally the last 4 digits should be sufficient, but you can do just copy and paste, and then E678F55, then E678F55, which is exactly the same, right? Now this confirmation. Now you go back to your UniSwap. Where was it? I don't know where exactly was it. I have many open here. Bingo, this is it. So let me just close these so I don't get confused. Alright, so this is the main one. So now I've got, it tells me here, I've got 0.006003 Ether in my wallet address. So I'm going to choose a token. So now I'm going to choose Shiba. Now notice there's many different tokens. These are all ERC20 tokens, which means these are all Ethereum compatible tokens, which you can actually buy and purchase by exchanging from your Ether to the actual tokens, right? These are all different currencies, different cryptocurrencies, but built and deployed on the Ethereum network, which are compatible with ERC20 standard tokens, which means you can exchange them with all Ether. This is one of the biggest reasons why ICOs became very popular and successful, because people around the world can now purchase and subscribe to those tokens by paying zero fees, zero transaction fees, right? DAI is a very popular one. If you guys want to get into DAI, it's a very, very popular one. It's getting a lot of attention. It's doing very well in the markets right now. It's been up about 30-40% the past year. Cardano is also a big one. What else is there? Chainlink. Chainlink is a very popular one. There's Tron as well. So this is UniSwap have their own token. Right, you can actually get their own token and purchase it if you want to. It hasn't been doing very well recently, but it's also an option to consider if you want to get into different cryptos. USDC is basically USD coin, then USDT Tether is also stable. These are also considered stable coins because they are pegged and linked to the US dollar. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so let me go ahead and type in, let me just type in Shiba because I want Shiba. So this is SHIB. SHIB expanded. Okay, let me go and import it. CoinGecko. Okay, it's a CoinGecko. Okay, fine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and enter the amount that I want to buy, right? So I have to put an amount of how much Ether I want to exchange for Shiba. So let's say I'm gonna buy, not sure, I can check, maybe I want to buy $10 worth of, which is 14, so what's the exchange rate? If I want to say 0.006 is $14, so let's say I want to buy 0.005. If I put 0.005, how much would I get out of? So let's say I'm going to put here 0.005 of worth of Ether will get me $12. Okay, let me put 0.004 will get me $9.8, almost $10. That will give me how many Shiba coins? I'm going to get 1195010, right? Because it's 1194000. Okay, which means I'm gonna get, what is that? 1,194,000 Shiba units, right? Because one Shiba is equal to 0.0000355 Ether, right? You guys see the difference? So I'm gonna buy $10, almost $10 worth of, but see it's changing very fast. So now it's going up and down, right? So because of the market, Shiba's been getting a lot of attention lately. So let me go ahead and make the swap and make the change. So once I buy this for almost $10, I'm gonna get 1 million. I can't even read this. Yeah, 1,193,840 worth of Shiba. So let me make the swap. Confirm the swap. Waiting for confirmation on the transaction. So I have to confirm the transaction on my wallet address, right? On my MetaMask. Gas fee is $4, which is huge. The total is 0.005, which is $14 total. Confirm. I don't really want to. It's $4, so the gas price is huge. So I'm paying $4 for the gas price of the transaction. That's a bit too much. So I'm gonna go reject. All right. So what I'm gonna do is transaction is rejected. So I'm gonna go and make even less amount. So I'm gonna put in 0.002 Ether, which is almost $5 worth of Shiba, which will let me gain 59693, almost 600,000 units of Shiba. Right? So let me go ahead and do that and make the swap. And I'm gonna see how much is it gonna cost in transaction cost. So now I'm going to say okay, from to Shiba, and liquidity, price impact, accept. Okay, it's changing very fast, so let me confirm the swap. Now I'm going to confirm the swapping 0.002. For now, it's going to ask me what the transaction cost. Transaction cost is going to be, again, $4, which is huge. So the total is going to be almost $9, right? From $5, so I'm paying $4 for the transaction fee. That's huge. So I'm gonna go and confirm it anyways, right? Just to go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna pay almost $10. All right, confirmed. Transaction submitted. View on the Explorer will confirm to you that you will check the transaction on the Etherscan. This is confirmation about the transaction. Now it's pending. The block is now being mined, and it's pending for it to go. And success, confirmed. Transaction is now confirmed. Right? Which means the swap is now complete. Add Shiba to MetaMask. Let me see. So now I have Shiba units, 59691, whatever Shiba, right? Done. So now when I go and confirm, I check my wallet address on MetaMask. Now MetaMask will show me that I have the balance of $6 worth of Ether, and I have the Shiba units there as well, right? Alright, this concludes the buying of Shiba units using MetaMask and UniSwap. Right now, please note MetaMask has their own their own version of swaps, where you can actually do the swap on MetaMask directly, which means you can click right here and you can choose how much Ether, and then you can choose the token that you want to select. You have Shiba, you have UniSwap, you have Uni. Second video on this and see how it works. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe if you got some value out of it. If you have any questions and comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys choose to buy into Rain, into cryptocurrency, I put a link in the description below for you guys can click on, and you can actually open and create a new Rain account on Rain and be able to buy and purchase and move funds from your bank account to Rain account and be able to buy crypto, Ether, or Litecoin. All right. Thank you all for your attention to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.